Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn everything you need. In this video, we will answer how you can become an expert from scratch in Python. In this video, we will talk about 5 Udemy courses that every learner must do. But before that, there is a question. Should I learn Python? 5 reasons why the answer is yes. Number 1. Big data is here to stay. Flexibility galore. Object-oriented programming. That sweet syntax. That library. It has so many libraries that you can find any type of template in it. So our first course is Learn Python from scratch. It is for very beginner students so that they can learn Python basics, variables, numbers, booleans, lists, etc. It is valid for 1 day only. Now our next course is about practical experience. 3 Python projects for beginners. In this course, you will learn 3 different projects in a single course. You will get hands-on experience in it. Our third course is Python 3 Bootcamp 2020. This course is valid for 16 hours only, so you have to hurry. Our next course is how to create a CRUD application with Python and Oracle. Our fifth course is Machine Learning for Beginner Regression Analysis in Python. Machine learning is the first step for artificial intelligence. You must have to know about machine learning to do artificial intelligence, and you will learn here with the help of Python. Our last course is about feature engineering with Excel and Python machine learning. It is basically for engineering student, and you can if you miss these coupons, don't worry, subscribe my channel. I will get another video for you guys. Please comment down which courses you want for free. I will post copper on my YouTube page. Please subscribe, like and comment the video. Also share with your friends because sharing is caring. Thank you. Happy learning.